I've gone on nofap for over 470 plus days and even cured my corn induced ED. And in today's video, we're going to break down exactly what worked for me and what you can learn from this struggle so you can improve your own situation. Now, number one, the common test is misleading. Now, if you've ever been in this space before, you've seen this really common test that a lot of people like to use to diagnose this entire problem, right? And the whole idea behind this is when someone is on their own, right, and they go on the adult websites, if they're able to get aroused on their own, what the test tells people is that this is strictly a mental issue. Right, so you go on the adult content. If you're able to get aroused, boom, that means it's a mental issue. It's not a physical issue. But what a lot of people do not realize is this advice is dangerous and actually a lot of times incorrect. Now, a lot of times this issue is not as black and white as people think, right? Think about it like this. For example, if you have a terrible diet, have a terrible lifestyle, right? Or maybe it's not even optimal or not the best for your own situation. What happens is you could look at this and say, sure, I can get things, working on my own. But then as soon as you get into a position to where, you're with a partner and you can't make things happen, you think automatically that it is mental. And I did for a while as well. But the truth is, the real change that happened for me and what actually made a difference was more of the physical side of things and the entire lifestyle as a whole, instead of just focusing on the mental and quitting the corn. Now, it's obviously a huge piece, but the two major foundations for this issue are one, quitting the corn, and two, the lifestyle, right? Lifestyle. Do not think that it is not important. Trust me, it's a lot more important than you think. And this test should be used as a guide, but again, it is not a one size fits all test, and you should just use it and keep that in mind, especially for what I saw with my own situation where lifestyle played a huge factor there. Number two, quitting corn was the first step. Right, so we talk about foundation, and number one, we want to get you on a solid slate, right? So we don't have all these different factors to account for. And you obviously know, if you're watching this, right, that the corn super stimuli, it just puts a lot of dopamine in your brain to the point where, you get with a partner and you're unable to perform, right? And that's, of course, not what you want, right? You want to get to the point to where natural dopamine can just get you going, right? And for me, that was one of the biggest steps, right? Because once you get the foundation flat, then you can uncover the real problem. And one thing that I noticed was I went so many days, right? 100 plus, 150, 115 was probably one of the highest ones, right? These streaks, right? These long streaks. But what happened was I still started to notice that, okay, sure, my performance improved a little bit, but I was still struggling, right? And if we look at what everyone tells you on the internet, it's that boom, once you get to the 100 plus, right? Once you basically get to 90 plus, everything should be fixed. And then it made me realize what is going on, right? I literally did the time and I'm still not seeing the type of results that I wanted to see. And it really uncovered that there's more to this issue than you think it is. And it's a lot more about lifestyle than just quitting the corn. But number one, man, we want to quit the corn because that gives your brain the necessary space to actually reset, kind of calm down, get back to the normal, right, dopamine levels. Now, number three, first step, what we want to do is we want to focus on nutrition, right? And you can think of this as garbage in, garbage out, right? So the inputs that you have in your life are one of the most important things, and especially when we talk about food and just nutrition as a whole. So what happens is, right, what people try to do is they try to just jump into things, right? They try to eat all of these certain foods that they read online, this and that. But what happens is they don't clean the slate, right? So what did we do first? We cleaned your mental slate, right? And that's what we started with. So we understand what the actual problem is, the factors that go into this problem. And now we talked about the mental state, right? So sure, you're able to get a decent streak on nofap, right? You've ideally tried your best to quit the corn. You have a system that's kind of working for you. So after that, what you need to focus on is clearing the slate, right? We want to do things like fasting, for example, right? Dopamine detoxes, all of these things, because what they do, right? You think about your needs and what you need as a human being, and what is that, right? We always say food, water, and shelter, the three main things. So if someone is fasting, what is this doing? That is denying themselves of something that they need, right? This isn't a want. It's something that they need to survive. And what I've noticed over time is that literally allows you and puts you in a position to where, boom, you're so much stronger willed and able to deal with these different things. So you want to incorporate fasting to be able to even, I'm not even going to say discipline, right? Because once you get to a point to where it's in your routine, it's not super, super difficult, but it just allows you to manage things like lust and all of these different other areas a lot easier, right? And even something like dopamine detox, again, it's resetting your brain to those initial levels of dopamine, right? And we want to try to cut out a lot of the junk food as well, right? The processed foods and all that. Again, it affects how your brain literally works as well. And that's why I always say don't underestimate the foods that you eat, right? And once this is gone, right, so we've cut out the junk food, right? We started to maybe incorporate, maybe we're eating, we're literally just doing maybe a quick fast here or there, right? We're starting to clear the slate. What you need to do is click the link in my bio if you're interested in learning the exact steps that I took to cure this problem for good, and how I even was able to go over 470 plus days on nofap. Get my link in the description below. Click the link now. Now, number 4, right? What we want to do after we've cleaned the slate. So we understood the problem, right? We cleaned the slate mentally and physically. Now we want to introduce foods that are going to be conducive towards our goal. And how do we do that, right? So what we look at is things like foods that optimize for blood flow and testosterone, right? So you can Google all of these things, right? But there's a lot of different types of foods that are able to help you, right? Just within performance in general. And one of the easiest things you can do, right, is drink more water, right? Because we know water is literally the hydration to your body, right? It literally allows, and helps your body to function correctly. So you want to make sure you're drinking a ton of water, right? Staying hydrated, because literally, right, we're talking about flow, blood flow in general. So you want to optimize for these types of foods. You want to get outside more, right, in sunlight. We want to make sure that you're exercising, doing all of these things so that you make sure that, again, you're fixing your lifestyle, you're improving your lifestyle, right? You're making sure that you're on point with all of these things. And when you optimize, again, these are also affecting your hormones as well. So we're boosting your testosterone. We're optimizing for just blood flow in general, right? And things like working out is one of the best things you can do for that, right? And you rewired your brain as well. Number 5, what we need to do next is look for real connection, right? And how do you do that, right? It's the social events. It's going out there, going to these different places that people are at. Maybe it's going on more dates, right? Just being at social places, especially where you see attractive people as well. But what you want to do is get out and around more people, right? Because we want to train your mind. Your mind got trained, right, to pixels. And in order to unwire that and rewire it in the right direction, you have to get outside. You have to touch grass. You have to see people. So get around more people. And of course, I always say as well, once you get around more people, it makes it that much easier to literally, right, be able to not relapse so often, because you get more around people and you're literally like, man, I'm not even thinking about it. It almost feels like it's not a problem, right? And it literally is showing you that you're supposed to have some sort of social life, right? You're supposed to, be around friends and other people, right? And go on dates and all these other things. So it's not just about subtraction, right? We cleared the slate, but it's now about what can we add to our lives to retrain and rewire our brain. And number 6, recovery is faster than most guys believe, right? Now, again, I always say there's this time limit that people put on it, right? They put the 30, the 60, the 90. but improve your lifestyle, clear the slate, tune things up a bit, right? And when you put these systems in place, I saw firsthand, I was able to cure this problem within 1 week, which is insane. It literally doesn't even sound realistic. If somebody, again, I always say this, if somebody would have told me, right, that back in the day, they literally just would have said that to me, I would have said, you're lying. This is impossible. But when you put your body under the right conditions, it can literally fix its own problems, right? And the truth is, you just need this consistency and you need a format. You need someone to walk you through that. If you're interested, man, click the link down below and I can give you the exact steps, hold your hand, and show you exactly with exact detail what I did to get to that point. Now, if you want to learn more about these type of topics, click the link, click the video above.